Welcome. This is Steve Pearson, Vice President Manufacturing for KPS Global, the leader in the walk-in industry. I'd like to take this opportunity to tell you more about KPS Global and give you a virtual tour of our insulated panel manufacturing facilities. With over 750,000 combined square feet of state-of-the-art manufacturing space on our 5 strategically located facilities, KPS Global delivers insulated modular panel solutions for a variety of applications. Whether your requirements are for supermarket, convenience store, scientific, industrial, or any other controlled temperature space, KPSG has a panel that will fit your needs. Standardized manufacturing processes allow us to level load all facilities and react quickly to customer needs. All panels are manufactured to the exact specifications of a customer-approved submittal drawing. The drawing indicates the enclosure dimensions, panel type, finish, number, type, and location of doors and all included accessory items. We offer modular, cam locking, and continuous line panel systems to meet your needs. Standard cam lock panels are locked together with the use of cam and pin housing assemblies. This same system is used to field construct a single 6-foot by 8-foot enclosure or a 300-foot by 400-foot multi-room enclosure. Individual cam lock panels consist of a perimeter framing that is covered by a metal interior and exterior skin, then injected with a non-ozone depleting HFO urethane insulation. Now let's kick off this virtual tour. The panel fabrication process starts with 6,000 to 10,000 pound coils of metal that are cut into sheets of a specified length and formed into a pan. This metal pan is then attached to a perimeter framework of wood, high-density urethane, or our award-winning fusion frame material. The perimeter rail holds the cam lock and pin assemblies that enable the panels to be securely joined together at the job site. Attaching the metal to the perimeter rail creates a cavity that we inject with urethane insulation. Prior to injection, the hollow panels are placed on heated platens in one of our multi-tiered panel presses. Computer-controlled foam guns inject a precise amount of liquid urethane insulation into the panel depending on individual panel thickness and length. The insulation is allowed to expand under these controlled conditions, forming a composite structural component. The freshly insulated panel remains in the press between 45 and 70 minutes to allow the insulation to fully cure and stabilize before being removed for the addition of gaskets, trims, wiring components, and final inspection before being palletized and prepared for shipment. The completed panels are prepared for shipping by being placed on one another, then processed through an orbital wrapper. Completed pallets are marked and ready for shipment. In addition to our cam lock panel system, we offer a continuous line panel for your large enclosure solutions. With this product, we can make a single panel up to 45 feet in length. For more information about our cam lock or continuous line panel systems, please contact your local KPS Global representative, our website at kpsglobal.com, or our YouTube channel. Thank you for your time.